So welcome. We're here at Stromasys with Paolo. I'm just walking by and it caught my eye. What caught my eye was your legacy apps on the cloud.
Yeah.
So I work with a lot of banks, and the discussion I always have with banks is we can't virtualize it because it runs on big old mainframes.
Yeah.
You have a solution.
Yes, we have the solution, definitely. We have a simple solution by which you can replace the classic legacy hardware. Just put everything on an x86 server, having VMware virtualization, and on top of that you can have our current solution software that simply virtualize or emulate, the way you prefer the word, the entire stack above, which means the operating systems and the application running on it. And essentially you do two things. You extend the life cycle of your application on the legacy, and you reduce your cost of maintenance.
Okay, so I can imagine. So I'm from the NSBU, so I work with NSX generally.
Yeah.
And one of the biggest pushbacks I'm getting from my customers is, we've always done it this way. We don't want to do it another way. And then the second pushback I get is, will it perform? So I'm going to ask that question to you. So say I grab an old mainframe and virtualize it. Am I going to get the same performance?
Absolutely, you're going to get the same performance. And I would say that to some extent you can even extend that performance, particularly on the very old legacy systems that were, let's say, trapped in the hardware that was built 20 years ago. Now with the x86 virtualization, and on top you can build with our solution a possibility to extend that level of performance. And we have lots of customers that have increased their performance on the very old systems. On the systems that are a few years ago, probably you can just match the same level of performance. Also because you have to consider the rest of the solution that is on top of the application, so that you cannot stress more than what has been already designed. But for the old one, for sure you can improve the performance.
So I can imagine that most of your customers are going to be banks in the banking sector or governmental sector.
We got everything. We got banks and government. We got manufacturing a lot. Lots of manufacturing have their application solution by which they design their products on the legacy systems. We have lots of aircraft sector, defense sector that have solutions that have been certified on that legacy systems, and moving everything outside that environment means the recertification. With us, you can simply just replace the hardware and the certification is going to be valid anyway, because no change of the operating systems, no change of the application.
Okay. Cool. Thank you very much, and have a great VMworld.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thanks.